Candidates in the coming midterm polls are reminded that there are limits to their election spending. The Commission on Audit says it will issue guidelines on this for those running in the May elections. Here's Freddy Abando.
Election fever is heating up. These early candidates are gearing up for the campaign, which is expected to roll into high gear in early February. The campaign for the Senate will cover 90 days. For those running for the House and local positions, it will last 45 days.
Gumastos na sila ng bilyon-bilyon, hindi naman namin sila papakialaman. Wag lang nilang gamitin ang pera ng bayan, no? And for everyone who will be running for a seat in these coming elections, from barangay to the highest echelons, and whether kung saan man sila partido nakakabit, ano kami doon, neutral kami doon.
There are limits to spending. More often, many candidates go beyond their budgets to ensure victory. Because of this, the Commission on Audit has issued directives to incumbent officials, guidelines on spending. A major concern is the hiring of ghost employees to work for them as campaign staff and are the outright voters. Latest findings of the Commission on Audit reveal the rampant hiring of ghost employees in Metro Manila. Quezon City in Manila has the biggest payroll of ghost employees. The COA has launched a nationwide campaign to review the personal recruitment and hiring of all locally elected officials. Commission on Audit Chairperson Gracia Pulido Tan expressed concern the number of ghost employees could reach millions.
Babantayan namin o binabantayan namin yung mga fund transfers from usually from national level or kung saan man yan, no? Hanapin. Kasi yung mga fund transfers na yan, kailangan baka magamit, di ba? Kailangan natin siguraduhin na nagpa-fund transfers for a legitimate purpose.
Another concern that is being addressed is the transfer of funds. Tan is concerned the diversion of public funds for personal campaign expenses will leave the coffers of local governments empty of cash.
Kasi alam naman natin, pag-eleksyon, kaya nga may mga ban on certain movements of personnel, no? Biglang nagbabalon ang ating bureaucracia dahil kung pwedeng kunin mo lahat sa City Hall yung mga leaders mo, why not? Diba? But we're going to be very strict about that.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.